Landing on an aircraft carrier is one of the most dangerous maneuvers in aviation. The deck is moving, the window is tiny, and there's no room for error. Pilots aim for a 300-foot landing strip pitching in ocean swells, traveling at 150 miles per hour, guided by the meatball, a visual landing system with just seconds to make critical decisions. When the tail hook misses all four arresting wires, it's called a bolter, and the pilot immediately throttles to full power, climbs, and circles back to try again. During the day, bolters happen about 20% of the time. At night, that number doubles. Each missed landing burns precious fuel, and too many attempts means the pilot must divert to land-based runways or refuel mid-air. It takes nerves of steel, split-second timing, and absolute precision, because on a carrier deck, there's no such thing as a routine landing.